Hello Rustaceans, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. And in the last video we have seen two tutorials in Rust, like running a hello world program, and also we have seen how maths work in Rust. So as we have talked before, we are going to start a brand new series on learning complete Rust. So I'm not going to post any videos like which are full course in one video. No, not like that. We are going to cover each topic in a new video. Hope you get my words. See, in this video we are going to learn variables, mutability, and some of the data types, not complete data types. We will learn the rest of the data types in the next video. Okay, let's get into the video now. Coming to variables, a variable is an element where a value can be bounded to it, like taking a value and attaching a number or a name to it. Like I'm going to write code first. So what I have done here is I have declared x as 5. So here x is a variable now. It is bounded to a value. Okay. And coming to variable, they are always immutable. They are immutable by default. So we cannot change its value once it is altered. So now what I do is ask the compiler to give me the value of x. Okay, I'll control save it and go to my terminal, then run cargo. Yeah, it has gave me the value of x now. Okay, now here when we try to change its value, like when we try to change the value of x, it gives us an error. We are going to learn that also. So I'll write the value of x now as 6 and save it, going into my terminal. Yes, it has gave us an error. It says that could not compile because another x value is already bounded. So here what is the solution is, we have to put mute. Mute is a keyword which stops the running of the x value, like we have wrote before. Like here it is, it stops the let x is equals to 5 value and prints x is equals to 6. Now we are going to save it, then run in our terminal. Yeah, so what it did is, the compiler did is, it has muted the x as 5, took x as 6 and printed its value down here. Okay, before we have got to see the x value as 5, okay, before writing the mute. Now after writing the mute in between, we have got to see x is equals to 6. So it is how the variables and mutability work. It is the most important these two are the most important topics. They are short but important in our future videos or in future Rust programming. So better you write a notes. If you want both the values of x as the same output in the compiler, just follow these. What I did is I have put the value of x as 5, asked the compiler to print its value, then muted it, then came down, put the value of x as 6, then again asked the compiler to print the value of x. So what I've got, the output was this: value of x is equals to 5, value of x is equals to 6. So this is the process where you can get both the values of x at the same time. There is another small topic after this variables and mutability. It is very small and any examples doesn't require for that. So what is a constant? Constant is an immutable variable. It is fixed and it cannot be changed even if we write mute in front of it. So that means even if you write the mutable keyword in front of that constant variable, it is not going to be altered. This is all about constants. Now we have came into another topic named as shadowing. When we give two variables to the code, the second one must shadow the first variable. Like if the two variables are same, see I have an example here. I have first kept the first x as 5, then and I also kept that declared the second x as 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now I have created an inner scope and declared x as x into 2. So here this x is shadowed from this. So yeah, this x is shadowed from here. So the third x's value must be 6. So 6 into 2, it is going to be 12. Okay, I've asked the compiler to print the value of x in the inner scope. So it has printed me the value of x here, and I also asked the compiler to print the value of the x in the original scope. It also did it for me. So this is how shadowing works. We can do it way more better and more accurately in our future videos. So stay tuned. Do subscribe our channel. Okay, let's go ahead. Coming to data types now. It has 4 types: integers, floating point numbers, booleans, and characters. So in this video we are only going to discuss up to integers, and rest of the 3 parts in the next video. So integers are the numbers which are going to be used like declaring for an x. So yeah, it is used in many places. It is much more important to learn about it. So the first one is length. Length of any integers or length of any number depends upon its bits. There are 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit in Rust, but Rust is defaultly set in 32-bit. Now if we want how many numbers can fit in a 32-bit, there is a formula for it, but before going into it we have to know about signed and unsigned numbers. Now coming to signed and unsigned integers. Signed integers, if the number which we are expecting in the output is a negative integer, signed integer is used. Signed integer is denoted as I and can be written as I32, I8, I64 or I28, 128. It depends upon how many bit long number we select. And coming to unsigned integers, if the numbers which we are expecting in the output is positive, unsigned integer is used. It is denoted as U, and we have to enter as U32, U8, U64 and U128, and this is also depends upon the length of the number we select. Coming to the topic, how to find the length of the bits in both the signed and unsigned integers. It has a formula each one. So for signed integers it is minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1, and for unsigned integers it is 0 to 2 power n minus 1. Now if we take n as an 8-bit integer, for signed integers we get minus 2 power 7 to 2 power 7 minus 1, which is equals to minus 128 to plus 127. So it is the length of an 8-bit integer. Coming to the unsigned integers, it is only of positive. Here we can see that 0 to 2 power 8 minus 1, which is equals to 0 to what is 2 power 8, it is 256, 256 minus 1, it is 255. So it is the length of an 8-bit integer in unsigned integers, and the first one is the length of the 8-bit type in signed integers. So that's it for today's video. and rest of the data types I'll be showing it to you in our next video, and next video is containing much more problems and much more interesting math problems in it. So do subscribe our channel to get updated whenever the video is released, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.